Hi guys, welcome to Forbes Tech Review. My name is Alexis, and today we're going to be starting with an unboxing of the Apple Watch. But before we do that, watch this. Okay guys, so we got this Apple Watch here. It is going to be the Apple Watch Series 4 with the gold aluminum case, pink sand sports band. So let's go ahead and get started with unboxing today. Ooh, this plastic. Ooh, yummy. Okay, so let's get started with this one. Look at this, nice and clean coverage. Where do we open this at? Let's see. Ooh, in the back. Oh, look at this packaging. It's just so gorgeous. Also, this is going to be the watch. It's going to be the gold version, and then we have the pink sand sports band right here. Okay, so let's start with the watch box. Let's put this to the side, and here you go. Ooh, and then we have all the information. Let's toss this to the side. Oh, and there's a charging cable right here for the in-wall plug. There's no USB-C, which we need. We're waiting for Apple to do that, but they don't do it yet. And then right here, we have the watch in this cute little case. Oh, look at this. Focus on this color, the clarity, and the cut. And then I guess we can go into the sports band. Let's see what's in this box. It's kind of a hard unboxing. How are you supposed to do an unboxing? You don't know how to open the box. Ooh, this iWatch sports band. We got some more information. And then, how-tos. Oh, and then look how clean this is. And then I guess this is for shorter wrist. Ooh, this is so pretty. Ooh. This is going to be the color of the watch compared to the actual Apple Watch itself. Okay, let's go ahead and get this started and turn this on, see how this bad boy works. Oh, there you go, it's starting up. Hi guys, welcome back. We just finished putting these bands onto this watch. Please stay tuned for more about it later in about a week. And then also look forward to on Forbes Tech Review about the iPhone XS Max, and we'll have more about that too. Thank you and have a good day.